If you've ever wondered exactly what's happened to a task in Asana, who changed it, who commented on it, when deadlines were moved or when assignments were shuffled, then this tutorial is going to show you how to view the full task history in just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll know how to quickly check any task's activity log, which is a really handy way to keep everyone in the loop or even troubleshoot what's changed over time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up the specific task whose history you want to review. You can get to any task in a few common ways, from a project board, in a list view, or directly from your My Tasks list, whichever feels most comfortable for the way you work. All you need to do is click on the task, and you'll notice its details will instantly pop up on the right side of your Asana screen. Think of this like opening a book to a particular page. Now you're seeing everything related to that task, from its description and assignee to tags and attachments. Now, here's where we start digging into its history. In the Task Details pane, take a moment to scroll down. You'll want to look for a section called All Activity. Sometimes, if a task is really full of comments or updates, you might need to scroll a bit further. But don't worry, you're not missing anything. This All Activity section is Asana's way of keeping a running diary of everything important that's happened to your task. It's easy to overlook if you're used to skimming the details at the top, so slow down here and make sure you find it. Once you're in the All Activity area, this is where that chronological log comes in. You can see when the task was first created, who assigned it to whom, when the due date got updated, and any other noteworthy changes. And if there's been discussion on this task, every comment is logged right there as well. This isn't just a list, it's more like a timeline, showing you the whole story of the task from beginning to now. Understanding these details can help you resolve confusion about when something happened or why a decision was made. For instance, if you're trying to figure out why a due date moved, the activity feed will show you exactly when and probably who made it happen. But maybe you're dealing with a long-lived task or one that gets updated often. Here's a tip. Asana automatically loads older activity as you scroll further down the All Activity feed. There's no need to click a Show More button or switch views. Just keep scrolling and the history will keep unfolding. If you're investigating a task that's been around for months, you might notice the feed takes a moment to load. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Give it a few seconds and you'll see even the earliest updates or comments pop into view. So that's all there is to it. Open up the task, find the All Activity section, and scroll through to see the entire history. It may sound simple, but being able to read the story of a task can save you from a lot of headaches, especially when collaborating with a team. If you ever get puzzled about who changed something or need to double-check for accountability, now you've got the power to check for yourself. Thanks for following along. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment if you still have questions about Asana task history or anything else project-related. I'm happy to help. Be sure to subscribe for more clear, helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.